So today we will be doing The Little Fir Tree. This is in grade 4 for CBSE. So I will be first explaining the story, then we will be doing the new words, and then there will be a part 2 in which I will give a few question and answers. So let us start. The Little Fir Tree. Shetty, the magician, was returning home when all of a sudden it began to rain. It rained heavily. Shetty looked around for shelter and saw a pretty little fir tree. He ran towards it as fast as he could. So, this is Shetty, who was a magician. He was returning home. And when he was returning home, all of a sudden it began to rain. And the rain was so heavy that Shetty had to take shelter. So, Shetty began to look for a shelter and he saw a pretty little fir tree. So then he quickly ran towards the fir tree. Soon the rain stopped. Shetty was happy that he did not get wet. So Shetty had got the shelter, and when he was standing under the fir tree, the rain stopped. So Shetty was so happy that he did not get wet. He was so very happy and he was thankful to the fir tree. Thank you. You have been kind to me. I would like to reward you. Ask for 4 wishes and I will grant them, said the magician. So the magician was so happy that he did not get wet that he granted the fir tree 4 wishes. He said that you can wish for any 4 things and they will become true. And all this was given to the fir tree for his act of kindness. Okay, now we go to the next slide. The sad fir tree had leaves like needles and no bird ever made their nests on it. So it said, I wish I had green leaves like my other friends. So the fir tree was very sad because its leaves were like needles. The leaves were so sharp that no birds decided to make its nest on it. And this made the fir tree very sad. The fir tree would see its friend having nests, having birds, so it also wanted birds on it. So he asked the magician that you give me green, pretty leaves so that birds can nest on me. Next morning, its wish was granted. Soon, a goat came along and ate all the green leaves. Oh dear, said the fir tree. I wish I had gold leaves, as goats do not eat gold leaves. So the fir tree made its wish to have green leaves and went to sleep. The next morning, it saw that it had beautiful green leaves. It was very happy, excited. But then a goat came along and ate all the green leaves. And the fir tree now became very sad again. So the fir tree now wished, I wish I had gold leaves, as goats do not eat gold leaves. So there are no goats which eat gold leaves, and the fir tree now wanted gold leaves. When the little fir tree woke up the next morning, it was surprised to see gold leaves. How happy I am, it said. So the gold leaves were what the fir tree wanted, and it got the gold leaves. It was very happy again. So it says, how happy I am. A man came along and stole the gold leaves. Now, a greedy man, came along and stole all the gold leaves because golds are very expensive and you're getting them for free on a tree. So, everyone would take them. So, a thief came and took it. I wish I had glass leaves instead. Men do not steal glass leaves. Now the fir tree decided that okay, green leaves do not work, gold leaves do not work, then let me have glass leaves. Goats cannot eat glass leaves, and the men will not steal my glass leaves. The next day, its glass leaves shone in the bright sun. How happy I am, it said. At night, The wind blew, woo, all the glass leaves broke. So the fir tree wanted glass leaves and it got the glass leaves, and again it became very happy, very cheerful. But then at the night, wind blew. The wind blew on the tree, and all of its glass leaves broke and shattered. Oh dear, said the fir tree. I like my old needle like leaves best, for goats do not eat them, no man can steal them, the wind will do them no harm. So the fir tree now decided that it wanted its old needle like leaves back because no goats eat needle like leaves, man won't steal it, and the wind can either neither do any harm to it. The tree went to sleep. When it woke up the next morning, it had all its needles back again. So the fir tree made its wish that it wanted its needle leaves back and went to sleep. The next morning, its fourth wish became true and it got back its needle like leaves. Oh, I never was so happy, said the little fir tree. The fir tree was satisfied with what he had. He was like, I do not want any other leaves. I am very happy with my needle like leaves, and I am more happy than ever. So it was content and happy and satisfied with what belonged to it. Now we go to the basic summary of the story. So the story tells us about a fir tree that is granted four wishes by a magician. Why did the magician grant it four wishes? Because the fir tree had been kind and had given shelter to the magician in the rain. The tree is not happy with its own leaves and asks the magician to change it. So the magician says, I will do you any four favors. And the tree asks, if you do anything, then change my leaves. It changed its leaves to gold, to glass, to green leaves, but it was not happy. And the tree realizes that it was better off earlier with its own leaves. So it says, I am not happy with any of these new leaves. I want my old needle like leaves back. And the story teaches us to be content with what we have. We should be content with whatever we have. We should not want more. We should be satisfied with what we are gifted with. And that is what the story tells us. Now we have a few new words which I will discuss. Pretty, attractive and delicate or beautiful. A sentence with pretty is, oh, what a pretty sunset it is. So this is an exclamatory sentence, and in one of my previous videos I have shown you the importance of exclamatory mark. So you should go and check the video, it's very helpful. Now we go to the next new word, which is needles. In Hindi, it is called sui, a narrow metal piece used for sewing. Something which we use to sew is known as needles. A sentence is, she wiped away the pine needles clinging to her clothes. So, pine needles are like fir needles. It's also a kind of needle like leaves, and they have a nature to stick to your dress. So, the girl wiped away all the sticky pine needles. So, there's a picture of the needle. Next new word is leaves, the green flat part of a plant. So can you see the leaf here? This is what is defined here, the green flat part of plants. Sentence, many leaves of the tree fell during the storm. The next new word is gold, an expensive yellow metal. Sentence, the king's crown was made of gold. Next new word is stole. Take something which is not yours without permission. It is the past tense of steal. Sentence. The thief stole all the money. So, this is all for today. If you like the video, then press the like button, subscribe to get more English videos. So this is in grade 4. I will do the question answers part later, and I will do the poem. I'll do a poem next. So thank you.